So we will be discussing about the page replacement algorithms. The first one we are going to discuss about is the FIFO page replacement. So initially they will be given a string, or we can call it as the reference string. Okay, and the reference string is like this. So you go on writing like this: 7 0 1 2 0 3 0 4 2 3 0 3 2 1 2 0 1 7 0 1. Okay, this is what we call as the reference string. 7 0 1 2 0 3 0 4 2 3 0 3 2 1 2 0 1 7 0 1. Now what you need to do is, the number of free frames available are 3. The frame size is given as 3. So initially this will be our frame. Now what this FIFO tells about is, go on adding the pages inside this free frame. Go on adding this pages inside the free frame. So initially I want to refer this. So initially this will be the condition. The same size is given as 3. So we need to refer this page number 7. So I will be putting inside this frame. Okay, this will be my first step. That means what? This 7 is not available, but I want to take it from the second storage. So since it is not available, we call it as the page fault. The page is not available inside the main memory, so I am taking it from the reference stick. That is, the reference stick is present inside the hard disk, we can say. So from there we are taking it. So this is the first step. So the page fault here is 1. Now I need to refer 0. Is 0 available? No, I need to take it. So I will take 7 as it is, and then I will put 0, and then I will keep it as it is. So this is page fault 2. Next, what I need to refer? I need to refer 1. 7 0 1. Now the frame is full now. Okay, entire size has been occupied. So now you need to apply this. Initially everything is empty, so you can go on adding it. Now this frame size is full. So now which one you need to select? So for this we are using this FIFO page replacement algorithm. That is, first in, first out. The page which has arrived first, that has to be removed first. Simple technique, very simple it is. Which page has arrived first? 7. Okay, and before you replace, you need to check, because we will be having the frequently used pages here. If the page is already there, then no need to change it. So there will be no page fault. That we call as the page hit. That means already page is available, so we can call as the page hit. If the page is not available, we call as the page fault, or a page miss, we can say. So 701 we have done. Next, what we need to refer to? So check 2. Is 2 available? No. So which one I need to swap out? I will swap out this, because 7 is the one which arrived first. First in, first out. So I will remove 7. In place of 7, I will put 2. So I will put 2, and this will be as it is. Are you all following this? Everyone? Next what I need to refer? After this, I need to refer 0. So once you complete this, because of the string will be too big, for your understanding you can put a tick mark here, which all you have completed, so that it will not be a confusing one for you. So we have completed with 2. Next I need to refer what? 0. So 0 is already there, no need to change it. So there is no page fault. That is, the page which you want to refer is already present. So where this frame will be actually present, it will be present inside the main memory only. So it is already present in the main memory. So no need to change it, keep it as it is. So we are done with this. Next we want to refer 3. Is 3 is there? No. What we need to do? We need to swap out. Which we need to swap out? Swap out first in, first out. After 7 which arrived? 0 arrived. So we need to replace with 0. So in place of 0, we need to put 3. So 2 will be as it is, this one will be as it is. We are done with 3. Okay, are you all getting it? Everyone? Next. Again we need to refer what? 0. But 0 is not there. So again replace it. After 7, 0 arrived. After 0 which arrived? 1 arrived. So first in, first out. Remove 1 out and put 0 there. 2 will be as this, 3 and then I have 0. Next, 4. Is 4 available? Is it already present? No. So take the next one. It is first in, first out. So one circle is completed or one cycle is finished. After that, 2 is repeated thrice. And we can say that out of these elements 2, 3, 0, which has arrived first? 2 has arrived first. So in place of 2, we are going to replace with 4. Okay, so we are done with this. Next, check for 2. Is 2 available? No. So again you need to replace. So 4 is just now arrived, so we keep as this. Now if you compare this, 3 has repeated, so we will put 2 here and 0 will be as it is. First in, first out. Everyone following this? Sure. So we are done with what? 2. Next we need to refer 3. Is 3 available? No. So again I need to replace it. So we'll take 3. 3 has to be inserted. But which has been arrived first? Comparing to 4 to 0. 0 has arrived first. Whenever you are replacing, just compare this. 4 to 0, out of which has been repeated most of the time 0. So we can say that 4 will be as it is, then we will be having 2, and then in place of 0 we will have 3. We are done with this. Next, 0. Is 0 available? No. So first in, first out. Out of 4 to 3, which are our first? Out of 4 to 3, which are our first? 4 has arrived first. First in, first out. So we are done with this. Next, we want 3. Is 3 already present? Yes. So there is a no phase fault. We are done with this. Take up the next one. 2. Is 2 present? Yes. 2 is already available, no phase fault. Next, go for 1. 1 is not available. Replace. Replace with what? We have just now replaced 4 with 0 here. And 2 if you consider, out of 0 to 3 which are arrived first, when in that case 2 you need to remove, because 2 has repeated 1, 2, 3 and 3 has repeated only twice and the size is 3. So you can say that you need to change it with 0. In place of 2 what we will put? 1, and then in place of 3, 3 will be as it is. So 0, 1, 3. Okay. Now go for 2. 2 is not there. So again phase fault. So which you are going to refer again? 0, 1, 3. Which has repeated? Which are first out? 3. Are you following? So in place of 3, we will put what? 2. Next, we are done with 2. We need to refer 0. 0 is already present, known phase fault. 1 is already present, no page fault. Next 7, okay, 7 is not there, so we need to replace. With which you have to replace? 0, 1, 2, first in first out, which are first? 0 are first, so replace with 0. So in place of 0 you put 7, 1 will be as it is, 2 will be as it is, so we are done with 7. Next 0, is 0 available? No, again replace with what? 1, because compared to this, which are first? 1, so we replace with 1. So 7, 0, 2. Next last, here 1 is there but 1 is not available, no, so again page fault occurs. So which you are going to replace? 7, you are going to replace with 2, so 0 will be as it is, and in place of 2 we will be putting 1. So once if you have found out the number of page faults, you need to count how many page faults we had. So if you go on counting, so total number of page faults will be 50. So you can write at the end after completion of this, number of page faults is equal to 50. Number of page faults equal to 50. Below this diagram you can write the number of page faults equal to 50. Count and complete it. Next example for the P4 page replacement. The reference string is given as 1, 3, 0, 3, 5, 6, 3, and frames size is given as 3. Frame size is given as 3. In the examination, sometimes they will not give the frame size. That time you can assume that the frame size is 3. You will write that the frame size we are considering as 3, and according to that we have found out like this. 1, 3, 0, 55, 6, 3. So try finding it out. So initially it will be empty. So now I will draw according to this only. Okay. We will put 1. Okay. 1 page fault occurred. Next, want to refer for 3. 3 is not there. Another page fault. So 1, 3. As it is now, we want 0. 1, 3, 0. Now concentrate here. After this, we need to refer to 3. 3 is already there. Okay, 3 is already there. So no page fault. So I will use space here. I will take it here. 5 is there. No, 5 is not there. So there is a page fault. So now again apply this. First in, first out. So out of this 1, 3, 0 which are first, 1 are first. So we will replace with 1. 5, 3, 0. So we are done with this. Next 6, is 6 available? No. So replace with what? Replace with 3. Because out of 5, 3, 0 which are first, 3 are first. So first in, first out. Now go for the next 3. 3 is there? No. We need to replace. Replace with what? Out of 5, 6, 0 which are first? 0 are first. Out of this 5, 6, 0. So what will be the total number of page faults? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write down that. Number of page faults. Number of page faults equal to 6. So total how many reference sticks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 6 will give the page hit. So page hit is what? 1. So it is correct. Does anybody have any doubts? Take the next example. The reference string is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5 1 5 1 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 1 2 5 1 2 3 4 5 and the frame size is same. Frame size is 3. So try solving it. So initially it will be empty. So we'll put 1 first and next we'll take 2. 2 is not available, so again there is a page fault. And next 3 is also not there, again a page fault. Now go for the next string, that is 4. Is 4 available? No. So you need to replace with the first in first out. Out of 1 2 3 which are at first? 1 are at first. First in first out. So we'll keep 4 and we'll replace this 2 and this will be 3. Next we want to refer 1. 1 is there? No. So again there is a page fault. Out of 4 2 3 which are at first? 2. So we'll replace with this of 2 will put 1 and then we'll put 3. Next 2 is 2 over there? No. So we need to replace this. So out of 4 1 3 which are at first? So we need to replace with 3. So 4 will be as it is 1 and then it will be 2. Next 5 is 5 available? No. Again we need to replace this. This will be with 5 1 2. Now for this 1 is already there, no need to replace. Check for 2. 2 is already there, no need to replace. Go for 3. 3 is not there. So which you need to refer? Which you need to replace? Out of 5 1 2 which are at first? 1. So 5 and then 3 and then 2. Now we are referring for 4. Is 4 available? No. So we need to replace. With what you have to replace? Out of 5 3 2 which are at first? First in first out. 2 arrive. So we will replace with. It will become 5 3 4. Next 5 is already there. So number of page faults 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So number of page faults is equal to 9. How many references are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 12 minus 9 should give the page hit. So 1 2 3. So page hits will be 3. Clear with this, everyone? Has anybody has any doubts? Clear? See, anybody is copying it? Now the same example, I will do some little modification. The frame size will be considered as 4. Okay, a small modification that in the same thing, instead of frame size as 3, frame size will be 4, and then compare the page faults. So you need to make 4 sections. So it will be 1, then we take 1 2, then for this it is not available, 1 2 3. Okay, frame size I am making it as 4 here. Now 4 also not available, so 1 2 3 4. Now is 1 present? Yes, 1 is already available. 1 is already there. So no need to make any changes. Next we are referring it for 2. 2 is also available. No need to change it. Next for 5. Is 5 available? No. So we need to replace 5 with page you are going to change 1. So it will be 5, 2, 3, 4. Next we are checking for 1. Is 1 present? No. First in, first out. Out of 5, 2, 3, 4 which are at first? 2. So we will replace with 2. So this will be 5, then 1, then 3, then 4. Next we are referring it for 2. Is 2 present? No. It has to be replaced. Replace with what? 5, 1, 3, 4. We need to replace with 3. Should be 5, 1, 2, and 4. Next, we are finding it for 3. Is 3 present? No. 3 is not present. So we need to replace. We need to replace with what? 4. So here it will be 5, 1, 2, 4, 3. Next we need to refer for 4. Is 4 present? No. With what you are going to change it? 5. Because out of 5, 1, 2, 3 which are at first? 5 are at first among these. We need to replace with 5. 4, 1, 2, 3. Next, 5 is also not available again. Again you need to replace. Out of 4, 1, 2, 3 which are at first? 1. So you need to replace with 4, 5, 2, 3. So number of page faults are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And page it will be 2. Page it will be 2. So what you are going to analyze from this? What is the analysis part? The reference string is same. Okay. The frame size in the earlier case was what? The frame size is 3. And here what is the frame size? Frame size is 4. And in which case the page faults are more? Here the page faults are more. And in that case page faults are less. That means what? The researchers have assumed that if you allocate more space, frame size is more means what? The memory is more inside the main memory. But it is not always true that even though the frame size is more, it doesn't mean that the page faults will be less. This was the assumption that they have made. But that assumption is not always true. Are you getting it? If you are having a frame size of 4, this means what? Inside my main memory I am allocating more space. My frame size is 3 means what? Inside my main memory the allocated space is small. Yes or no? Because where this frame should be present? Inside the main memory. Even though if you are allocating more memory for the more space for the main memory, but it is not always true that the page faults will be less. Here with this, and this is called as Bilidy's anomaly. Okay, there is a question, what is Bilidy's anomaly? So this will be called as the Bilidy's anomaly.